Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to convert picture to PDF on any Android. If you're using an Android phone and you want to convert picture to PDF, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your Play Store app and here just go for search, and here you just have to randomly search for image to PDF converter. Just search for that, and here you must have to install this app with 4.8 ratings. Just tap on install to install the app. It will install on your phone. You just have to wait for installation. Then we'll learn how you can convert your images to PDF. Once the app has been installed, you just have to tap on open to open the app. And here just wait for the opening the app and select in which way you want to create a PDF. Then I'm going to select image to PDF. You can easily use your camera to make a PDF. Just select image to PDF here and here, and just skip the ad if you have. Just tap on the skip option, and here just tap on allow all to allow all of your images. And here you can easily select any album if you want. And now I'm going to select image. Now you can easily select multiple images from here. After that, just select import to import your images. You can easily add it if you want, but I'm going to select them from here. And here you can make some more settings if you want, but I'm going to select convert to PDF. And here you can rename if you want, as I'm going to add this one. Just tap on it, the tab on convert, and it will be converted. So here you can see that our PDF has been converted. Now tap on open to open your PDF. So that's how you can easily convert your picture to PDF on any Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.